Well, I'm sure a lot of you were like me and my brother and a lot of other people that I was locked up with. You don't chase the high, you chase not being sick. It's not so much that you like being like this all day, passing out, I cracked my forehead brushing my teeth on that stuff. And it smashed right into the mirror. That's the only drug that you can make a chicken wing last 6 hours on. Yeah, chicken. 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 Something like that, right? Don't you see those people defying gravity in the streets? I was never that bad. I defied gravity in my parents' basement. What's up, everybody? My name's Hatler Gurius, and today we're going to talk about how I got sober and hopefully how it can help you. One of the big things with getting sober is finding a good reason to be sober. I know whether it's drugs, alcohol, nicotine. I'm still addicted to nicotine. I haven't cracked that one yet, but I have cold turkeyed heroin, meth, crack. I didn't do that one very often, but I've done cocaine, PCP, which is really just embalming fluid. I've done it all. I just quit drinking about maybe a year ago now, and I had 3 years sober from it before that, and then 5 before that. I'm 31 years old, and my right kidney is basically gone. Every time I drink now, I get kidney stones. I start vomiting blood. So, there just has to be a time where you tell yourself enough is enough. For most of it, prison did that. Back in, I think it was like 2013, 2012, I got arrested for burglary, for stealing a half ounce of weed from my neighbor. Now, they owed me money. Okay, a fair game, in my opinion. But I ended up getting 6 years for it. And all of it was due to heroin, allegedly. But that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about how I got clean. So, a lot of you probably know of the substance Suboxin. Or Subutex, whatever. Generic stuff, I don't know. It's probably switched now, changed in 10, 12 years I've been sober. So, in my opinion, this is a miracle drug. If it's used properly and way below the recommended dose. I'm talking way below the recommended dose. So, allegedly, I would get these from my doctor. I was prescribed to them. That's not allegedly. I was prescribed. I would get 90 a month though. I only took maybe 3 a month, and the rest of them, I don't know what happened to them. They disappeared. But I didn't need much of that stuff to live a normal everyday life. I'm talking one pill would last about half a month. All you need is a little tiny bit of that stuff in your system to completely make it to where opiates do not work. Why do you need to take the whole pill? That's not a thing. That's where they get you. That's where they hook you for life and prescribe you on a lifelong medication. If you just take it in minute amounts like that, you could do it like that for a year. The only withdrawal you're gonna have from that little amount of Suboxin is maybe like sweaty palms. And if you didn't have to stay on it that long, I didn't have any withdrawals. I did it for maybe 4 months and I never looked back. Not once, ever. And I was tested too. I had been clean, so I did my whole prison stay without ever touching tar. Okay, I got into some other substances in there. I was gonna say allegedly, but I failed a dirty UA for amphetamines. What else do you have to do, okay? But that was enough. I mean, I was literally sober before I got locked up. I never thought about it. Even doing other drugs, I never thought about the downers ever again. Which, it might not fix all problems, but that is a very, very big problem in the world right now. Opiates, fentanyl, anything like that. Even, what is it? What's that other red syrup shit they give you for? I don't know. That shit is called methadone. I remember it now. It's like a little syrup. I don't know. Yeah, that stuff messes you up. Okay? This mystery shit that's gonna be up here on the screen because I forgot the name of it. The withdrawals on this are like 5 or 6 times worse than heroin and fentanyl. And this is something that you're on for life. They give it to you every single day of your life. Why? Why? I got clean, and I got clean easy. Like when I tell you, when you take a little bit of Suboxin, just a tiny, tiny bit, and you try to go get high, you're gonna get so sick, and it's just not gonna work every time. But if you don't get high, you're not gonna get sick. The sickness is gone. And I don't know about a lot of you, if you use, I'm sure you do if you're watching the addiction story, or you have used. I don't want to say all of you are using, I apologize. But Suboxin, it's amazing. Yeah, I'm not gonna say it's my medical advice because I'm not a doctor per se. I did study for 4 years while I was locked up. Okay, there's a lot of time in there. Even though I wasn't a doctor, I was an addict. I am an addict. I'm just kidding, I love you. After the Suboxin and you have a daily rhythm of you can't get high, then you have to find something to do. What is gonna keep you from getting high? Well, this is where I wanna help a lot of you. So, if this video has hit the For You page, please hit that thumbs up because this stack of money, I wanna be giving to you guys. Like, I wanna help change people's lives. I'm very smart on the stock market. I know YouTube doesn't like me talking about it for some reason, even though I lay out how-tos. Maybe it's because I'm not licensed, but if you look it up online. Huh? What's on the line? Well, you will see you don't need really anything to start a hedge fund or be an account broker. It's kind of scary. That means we'll go into that somewhere else. But that is something to look forward to for people. A lot of people struggle with money. If you think your problems don't surround money, put it down on paper. Everything revolves around this dumb green stuff. Everything. If money didn't exist, crime wouldn't exist. Or would it? Okay, that's a lie. Crime would exist without money, because people are twisted. But crimes like robbery, theft, a lot of marriages end because of money. I mean, love gets destroyed. A lot of things do revolve around money. And the stock market can keep you busy. That is a big part of this. You have to stay busy. And if you're wanting to learn, I mean, look into where people on Wall Street live. Look at the houses they live in. Half of these guys didn't even go to college. They didn't even graduate high school. They're making $10 million a year. Just saying. I can teach you guys how to go through all 10 million companies and break them down one by one. All you have to do is put $10 in. I don't want any of your guys' money, by the way. I want you guys, it doesn't matter what you use, Robinhood, Webull, Cash App, whatever other stock trading things there are out there, they will all do the same. $10. Even if you put $1 in 10 stocks, just watch them. Write the numbers down. Track it. Do that for 1 month. After 1 month, you will see a solid pattern in every single one of those companies. Start buying and selling. When it goes down to where you know it's going to go, buy it. Wait. If you have to wait a couple days, maybe it takes a couple days for it to do its thing. Wait. Set your sell price, sell, and then you wait. If it goes up, don't buy more. Don't do it. That's called FOMO. You already made your money. Wait till it goes back down and hits that price that you're supposed to buy at. Rinse and repeat. You watch that chart pattern and you do it. And the excitement of making all this legal money will change your life forever, you and your family. I didn't get sober for the stocks or anything like that. I did it for me because my dad's a big role model to me. He doesn't do anything. I mean, he drinks a little bit, but successful people don't use drugs. I'm sorry. I mean, like weed and stuff, maybe some prescription pills, but eventually most of those, even those prescription pills, lead to addiction, which ruin people's lives. There's ways around it. So hopefully this video hits that For You page, Hopefully YouTube shows me some love. And with that, I thank you.